A cheerful morning to everyone present over here. My name is Vani Pammar and my presentation topic is Karthik calling Karthik. So in this story, we all know that Karthik is the caller. We did not expect that Karthik is the caller, but means Karthik is mentally disorder.
I was thinking a lot on that, and on the time this is a very main point that Karthik says to a ticket man, and Karthik says to him that please buy me.
Where he said to an uncle, the uncle was unknown. He said to please bring me a ticket and don't tell me that from where I bought a ticket. So such type of things Karthik did in his work, and he was thinking that now I don't know that where am I going. Karthik too will know. That's why he said to the uncle that don't tell me from where he bought a ticket, and he get down from that train. So after that he went in search of a small hotel. In that hotel he said to uncle, I want a room. Then he booked a cheap room in that hotel, and he said to there should be a no call, no TV, no mobile, only I will alone, and my food will also you will serve me time to time. Then after 1 month later he did such type of things, and he had no mobile, so how will the call come to Karthik? Then after that he found a job in a company, Korean company. So, but Karthik did many of demands from his boss, and he is not obeying only his one demand, that he is not buying a mobile. So finally he bought a telephone which he had earlier, just same telephone. And in that telephone there was many types of features, like we can record our own voice and we can set it to alarm as a reminder, and our own voice will call us, and our voice will talk to us, just like. So he bought such type of phone. Then one day, on that day he was very fearing that again the call will come to me. So he did not sleep the whole night. He was only waiting for that call, that the call will come, but the call won't come. So at that time he just relaxed. He mailed Sonali that now I am finally fine, and the call did not come to me. So Sonali went to a psychologist, means Shweta Kapadia. You know the name? So Shweta Kapadia asked Sonali that had Karthik any brother? So Sonali wanted to make Karthik better, but his imagination destroyed him. And in other movies the schizophrenia disease is depicted in a bad manner, just like a boy has been suffering from schizophrenia. He killed his parents, his brother, whatever. But in this movie such type of things did not depict us. That's all. Thank you very much.